Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today?
Engine on the mount.
Engine on the stand. We're gonna put the engine on the stand, right?
Yeah.
All right. What does it say?
It's not that hard. Shouldn't take that long.
All right, so we're gonna get this motor off the cherry picker and bolt it to the engine stand, right?
Okay.
Is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah.
All right. So we got 4 of the old head bolts. We're not gonna reuse these head bolts. Factory head bolts are stretched to yield. They're not meant to be reused. So we got 4 of those and 1 nut, and I'll show you why. Engine is bolted to the stand. We use these top 2 bolts and the bottom 2. And then once you get your bolts into the motor, make sure you go back and tighten all of these so they're not all wobbly. I normally would put a bunch of washers actually on this side so that these sit flush against the block. I didn't have enough washers, so I hope this will be okay. We'll see. Wish us luck. Going to slowly lower the cherry picker, and we're gonna keep an eye on the bolts and all of the spots where the bolts are going in, just to make sure everything's okay. So lower it really slowly and just have somebody keep an eye on it. Hoist is down enough to where the pressure is off of it and everything's good. Give it a little wiggle with your hand, make sure nothing's gonna topple over. I think we're all good. So now I'm gonna back this thing up, fold up that cherry picker, get the boom pushed in, legs picked up so we can get it out of the way. The work area all cleaned up and vacuumed too. So now, all these loose bits up front, I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. Then I'm gonna oh, I got a little friend. Hey buddy, how you doing, Archie? How you doing, man? Mama let you out here? What's going on? Are you barking at the Kentucky Derby? Yeah, those horses, they look big like you, huh? Good boy, don't get in the oil. All right, this piece first, the big bolt, and then the timing cover, and then all the bits behind that. I'm gonna get them off and put them on some cardboard, get them on the shelf for now. Now we've got the front timing cover off, and you can see the chain and the gear down there. We've got a little bit of gears and things left here. I'm gonna grab a big Allen to get this one off for that timing chain guide, and then this timing chain guide on this side. It's held on by 1 bolt here and 1 bolt here. Now we're gonna get these 2 knock sensors off. Knock sensors are off. Now we're gonna get the remaining motor mount and the bracket that's holding these hoses off, along with this bracket and this one and these last remaining bolts. We're gonna stop there for tonight. I gotta fly in the morning for work and go pack. So only thing we really have left on is the oil filter and power steering pump. We'll get those off next time. Start stripping down the remainder of what's on the front over here, and then start getting it cleaned up. And then check for flatness. If it's good, we'll just clean, scrub, paint. If it's not flat, we'll take it to the machine shop. Oh, and of course the bearings. We gotta pull the bearings off down below and check those as well. Meantime, hope you guys are enjoying having the 80 series back on the channel. I'm enjoying working on it with my kids. If you're enjoying the 80 series content, hit that subscribe below to show your support. In the meantime, I love you guys. I'll see you next time.